Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetradingsystems.com, making this a small video about US dollar index update and the trades taken using this index. So let's get started. This is the chart I made almost a month ago, exactly a month ago, 15th October. Today is 15th November, right? So 15th October, I made, that was probably Saturday or Sunday, just before the next week starting. So uh, I made the chart when the price was all the way on the top. Candle is bullish, keep going to the upside. But what I said in this chart is, no, it's not going to go up, and it's going to drop back to the 1753 because extension level 127. That's the only thing that we have. But usually 90% of the time, it makes the turn from there. So this was my analysis on 15th October, and what happened to this chart so far as of today, 15th of November. You can see from there, it went up a little bit above it, but after that, it started dropping, and this was the last week, and this is the current week. So this is how far it went down all the way, bypassing the 1753, right, and came all the way to even below 1478, and now we are just above 1478. Now, what I think, and another version of this from 80-minute chart, Elliott wave count is this. This was the top, and then it started dropping here. This is wave one. This is 78% wave two. Wave three usually is 161%, which is right there. So this is wave three. If it would be wave C, it would not bypass 127 level. But usually wave C goes around 127, but this went down all the way to 161. So that is most likely a wave three, followed by wave four. Now, wave four usually is as big as wave two or more than that. Right, so wave one ended here, wave two is here. So see the distance from here to here, that's wave two. So that much distance from wave three to wave four, somewhere here. Wave four calculation is that wave four is around 38% of wave three. So this would be somewhere here at around 38%, but in three waves or five waves. Sometimes it's three wave, just like here. If you see this A, then small, kind of like a triangle type of thing, wave B, and then wave C. This would do probably the same thing here, wave A here somewhere, then B, and then C to 38%, or sometimes even maybe 50%, or as long as it stays that US dollars continue retracing, we might be able to go to this low here of wave one, which is, I think it's probably 50% or let me see, 50 or 61%, something like that. I'll put another flip, and you can see it is okay. So here now you can see it's just above 50% and below 61%, this area, right? So this is very close. This low is very close to this 50. So maybe, that would be uh, the target for wave four. So this thing is going to go up. Now, wave four is very nasty and wobbly and ranging kind of thing. Be careful. And it could go up there, A, B, C. It could post three waves, A, B, C, or five waves as a triangle, or even more. It all depends. We are on 15th of November already, halfway in November, and now the break will apply. Right, going into December, the market is going to slow down a little bit, and then in December is like the slowest month of the year. All right, so everything is like going, slowing down and not moving much. Volatility will go away, and ranging will start. And especially in wave four, as it is very dangerous. If we fall, and we are going to fall into wave four, which will be very dangerous. So be careful. Right now, from this is my chart started on October 15 is right there. See October 14. So this is where it started, right? This game. So coming down here, then going up, and then coming down. So coming down means the USD getting weaker. So that means that four of these pairs where the USD is on the right hand side, Euro USD, Pound USD, Aussie USD, NUSD USD, they will be going up. And this way, when the index is going, they will be going down and then going up again. So it's up, down, up. Similarly, those three other pairs, USD yen, USD CAD, USD franc, first down, then up, then down. Okay. So how did I do or handle this chart, or what did I do based on this information? So let's see. Using my candles, formation, Renko candles, and my system, Creative IB system, this is what I have done so far with this thing. Going, like I said, first up, down, up. So you'll see some short pound USD, and then long, short, and long, and all the others. So these are the two entries I started on the 17th, which is probably Monday or Tuesday, followed by my chart on the 15th, 16th, 17th. Yeah, probably the Monday. So 15 was Saturday, 16 was, I think, was Sunday, and then Monday starts here. So anyway, pound USD from 20-minute chart, these two entries together pre-created. Well, no, single entry is like 105, and then the other one also. So 105 pips so far on this one on the 17th, pound USD going along, right? I'm showing you only and only USD pairs since October 15th that I did based on that weekly chart. So pound USD long, the euro USD on the 21st is start up. So here 65 pip to the downside, euro USD. This one, pound USD, also downside 115, and this one is on the 25th, euro USD again start to go up. That retracement is finished, and now to the upside. Now everything will be upside. So now 25th, this is 85 pip, euro USD. And the pound USD ran up as well for 150 pip on the 25th October. And the USD yen supposed to go down, short USD weakness, that it goes down because the USD is on the left hand side. So it's a sell order here, and it is 75 pip to the downside on the 26th. Then USD yen on the 31st October, it went up here for 110 pip. And here USD CAD to the downside on 4th of November for 150 pip. Now pound USD to the upside on the 4th for 110 pip. And pound USD, that was the first one. Well, no, that was probably the same thing. And then this is on the, no, it's on the 7th actually, 490 pip. Let me see if that's the same trade, or probably the same trade continues. 4th, 5th, and 6th was weekend, and then 7th. So I had it open, and yeah, see, buy entry was on the 4th. So it's the same entry altogether coming out with 190 pip on the 7th. On the 8th, USD CAD, USD is on the left hand side, and this is what's happening on the USD in those times, right? Or you can see on this chart here. See, it's coming down. Then USD yen, USD CAD, USD franc, they will be going down. So here, USD CAD on the 8th November, 100 pip to the downside. On the 8th, Aussie USD going to the upside for a buy order here for 100 pip, more than 100 pip. And on the 9th, this pound USD it start to retrace and came down. So this one and this one for a little bit, then it will make the turn again. So it always, even if the price is going to the upside, at time to time it retraces, right? 50%, 61%, and that's where you catch these. So 110 pip here on the 9 pound USD from 20 minute, and on the 9th, the USD franc, you can see nice little short here again. And on the 10th, November 10th, USD CAD again, small trade, but beautiful entry here. I missed this one, but then this one, no, I think I took it, but this one took it out myself, and then again I got in here. So 65 pip here, and here Aussie USD again to the long side for 100 pip, nice and clean. And then on 11th is pound USD long for 95 pip, and on the 11th USD yen down for 180 pip. That was because of the big USD news came out, and the USD started getting very, very weak. and the yen, on the other hand, was getting strong. So two forces applying same time, that will happen. So that day, USD yen dropped 600 pip on Thursday and 300, more than 300 pip on Friday. Between 2 days, USD yen dropped almost 1,000 pip. So I caught this one here on the 11th, and then today on the 15th, this is pound USD long side buy order here. You can see, and 150 pip in a straight line, boom, right? And another one on the 15th today, USD yen 20. This was a beautiful entry here. My SL was here. It knocked me out. I got in again, and here 400 pip. But see, all the trades that I showed you, 20 trades altogether, all USD pairs. Forget about my other trades, Euro Aussie, Pound Aussie, and Pound Yen, and all of those different pairs, right? I always have those. But this is what I'm saying, is that this chart, this one chart, it guided me all the way, to take all these trades time to time, but knowing that what is actually, where is the trend, right? Four of those pairs, the trend was up. Three pairs, USD yen, USD yen, USD CAD, and USD franc, the trend was down alongside with US dollar index coming to the downside. Now is the time, and now, like I said, this chart here is going to go up, and that's what it is. That you can see we broke. This is a big level here, 1753. So we came down below. It's like we 1, 2, 3, right? Now we are going up, and I think we will be going back to at least 1753, back testing, and then once the test is done, maybe 1753, 1784, somewhere there, we will go for wave 5 to this outer TL, maybe 1447, and so, sorry, 1247 or some other level, or maybe all the way to 1026, who knows, right? But it's 1, 2, 3, wave 4 is underway. We might be going to the upside, but make sure that for wave 4, we must stay above 1478. We must stay above 1478, right? So as long as it is going, it stays above 1478 and going to the upside, you know what to do. Then that means that USD getting strong. So four of these pairs, Euro USD, Pound USD, Aussie USD, and New USD, they should be coming down, and the other three, USD Yen, USD CAD, USD Franc, should be going to the upside. So look for entries in those directions, in those pairs, respectively, right? So that's just wanted to share with you guys and show you the direction, the possible direction. Once the wave 4 is finished, we will look for wave 5. But right now, wave 4, if wave 4 is going to post like 3 waves, just like this one here, A, B, C, right? If you look very closely, it looks like A, B, and C kind of move, where you have A, B, C, then A, B, C, and then 1, 2, 3, followed by wave 4 and wave 5, small wave 4, wave 5, just like this, if we can count this 1 and this 2, right? So there are different, but either way, we need to go up. Either way, if you count, let's take this count or the other count, we have to go to the upside. Okay, so we will do that, and we will trade accordingly. So be careful and be ready, and also know that we are going into a slow time right now, and it doesn't mean that you don't have trades. You will have trade, and good trades, big trades, but not as good as in September, October, November, those months we have good volatility. And then again, after December, in January, February, March, April, we will have good volatility. Then comes May, June, July, slow months again, and then catch up again, and then slow down in November, and December is very, very slow. All right. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful rest of the trading week.